So today is which day?
Day 4 and day 4 of the trip.
Day 4 of the trip and the day 3 of our internship. We are getting ready to go to a different location today because we have a welding workshop where some people, I think German people, I'm not really sure, are going to teach us welding on the workpieces that we made yesterday. So let's go. Let's go. This is the place we were supposed to come, but we are super late today. I don't know what they'll say now. We have to go in and find out. Okay. We are here at the conference, and as you can see, no one has come. They told us to be here at 9:30. It's 10:16. We thought we were late, but I guess we are early.
We thought we were super late actually.
Yes.
Seriously. But we are the one that late.
So we have a coffee break now. Coffee and tea break, but there's a huge line at coffee. But luckily we managed to get it. Again, after this, we'll again have theory classes.
Boring
We'll have
classes.
theory after this again. And
Then take a strong coffee
yeah,
so that you can stay alive.
yeah. This was a much needed break.
Yeah.
Hopefully after lunch there will be it will be more interesting because it's practical.
Look at the location.
So our theory classes are over. Are they over? Maybe we'll have some short 20 minutes theory class. We are eating free lunch. Luckily it was free. So our budget for today has decreased. No, budget for our dinner has increased because we didn't pay anything for lunch. And the food is good. We are done with the welding. And what else?
Make TIG.
Yeah, we did MIG welding, TIG welding, and arc welding. It was awesome. And we are not that tired. So we are thinking to go to the mall. It's a pretty famous mall here called UB City Mall. It's a very big mall and it has Ducati showroom in it. So why not? We'll go see some Ducatis and some Lamborghinis too, because there's Hoyasala Automotive, which is Lamborghini showroom, Bangalore Lamborghini showroom. So let's go see Lamborghinis and Ducatis. We are inside. We are going to UB City Mall right now. What is UB City? That, this, that.
I'm
There
not
were-
sure I'm going to get something fun.
This is a single mall, and there are like 4 or 5 separate buildings. So I don't know where to go. So we are inside UB City Mall, and I'm still recording with the GoPro because something happened to my camera. It doesn't recognize my lens, and the lens isn't opening. It's supposed to open up from here. Cannot recognize lens, attach it properly. So I guess you guys are stuck with this wide angle view for rest of the day till I figure out something to do with this. So we tried to find Starbucks at UB City, but there's no Starbucks in UB City Mall. Considering the size of this thing, I expected them to have a Starbucks at least, but there's no Starbucks. So we are just sitting outside UB City Mall trying to spot supercars here, but haven't come across any supercars. Now most probably we'll be going to the Starbucks at MG Road, and then we'll be going to Smalley's, having the beef burger. That's it, and head back home. We are in parking of UB City Mall, and there are Ducatis here too, so I'll show them to you. There's a Scrambler, there's a Panigale 959, there's a, what is this? It's a hyper motard. They have the X Diavel there. I don't know if you can see, but they have the X Diavel and a Monster. Dream bikes, can own them only in dreams. So we'll stop looking at them. They'll make us feel sad. So we'll just go, we'll leave. We are back in Starbucks for my second free drink. Yes, I got one more free drink, and I'm planning to start editing here. So I got my laptop. I'll start editing. So we are done with our Starbucks, and I finally got my main cam working. And we are here at Smalley's Cafe. I don't know if you can read it. They have really good beef burgers here, so we are going to eat beef burgers, and we'll head back to our room. And Prudvi is going to try beef.
No, it's chicken, not beef, okay?
Oh, really?
Chicken without cheese, not a beef.
What burger did you order?
I have something dollar burger, that is chicken.
Yeah, whatever. Whoever friends of Prudvi are watching this video right now, please don't trouble him for eating beef, because it's fine. It's totally fine to eat beef, because I'm pretty sure this patty is a... No, it's beef.
No, it's chicken.
You ordered beef.
I want dollar burger, that is chicken.
Really?
Yeah.
Let's call the waiter and say, excuse me?
No.
He's just lying. He ordered beef. And there's no problem eating beef, because some things are meant to eat in, and meat. Where are you hiding your burger, Prudvi?
Actually, I don't want to see that.
He's hiding his burger because it's beef and he doesn't want. Prudvi, can you show us your patty? Burger patty? That's a dollar beef burger. Anyways, I'm waiting for my burger. So in the meantime, you can take a look at this place, and maybe I'll roll some music here. So my burger has arrived. Just take a look at that beautiful burger with 2 beef patties, and it's pretty cheap. It's almost it's equivalent to a McDonald's burger price.